What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to buy Bitcoin and safely store your Bitcoin on a hardware wallet here right now in 2020 and beyond. And we're going to be using Coinbase, which is one of the many exchanges out there that you can actually buy Bitcoin. So I can show you guys how to actually do it, which, by the way, is very simple. And we're also going to be using the Ledger Nano S, which is a hardware wallet to actually store your Bitcoin. I want to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase and actually send it to a hardware wallet, which keeps your Bitcoin secure, safe from everybody out there that's trying to hack it, right? Because let's be honest, if you leave your Bitcoin on Coinbase, it's not the safest place to keep it. But if you have one of these, the Ledger Nano S or any other hardware wallet, you'll be able to safely have your Bitcoin so nobody else has access to it but you. So if you guys find value in the video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want $10 free from Coinbase, check out the link down below. All you have to do is transact $100 worth of cryptocurrency. You get $10, and I also get $10 if you use that link down below. So let's get started, guys, and talk about how to actually buy Bitcoin here on Coinbase. And again, Coinbase is simply an exchange where you go and you buy your Bitcoin. And it's very simple, right? This is the website. You guys can see Bitcoin, Ethereum. These are some of the other cryptos: Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and the list goes on, right? But in this video, obviously, we're focusing on Bitcoin. So how to actually buy it, you simply go down here, you click View Asset, which is obviously Bitcoin, right? You have here this little panel that shows you buy, sell, convert, but obviously we're looking to buy it. And you have buy Bitcoin here. You want to make sure it says Bitcoin, or if you want to buy other cryptocurrencies, obviously you can change it. And under that, you have pay with, and it's going to be your bank. In this case, I'm using my TD bank account to actually buy the Bitcoin. So here we're going to want to type in exactly how much in US dollars that we want to buy of Bitcoin. It's very simple. And I'm going to execute a trade for you guys right now because, I mean, why wouldn't I, to show you guys actually how it works. So I'm going to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin, right? $50. It says one-time purchase here. You can change that to every day, every week, 1st and 15th of the month, and so forth. But in this case, we just want to do one-time purchase. So buy $50 of Bitcoin from TD Bank. Preview the buy. This is going to show you how much Bitcoin you're actually going to be purchasing. 0.00307428 of Bitcoin. So that's a really funky number, but overall, it's just 0.003 of Bitcoin here with $50. And we're going to have a Coinbase fee here of $1.99, right? We're purchasing about $48 of Bitcoin, which obviously totals to about $50, which is what we're buying. And right now, the price of Bitcoin is $15,616 for one Bitcoin. So this is it, guys, right? We're going to hit buy now, and it's going to go through. Boom, bop. Let's see how it goes here. Boom, there you go. You've purchased successfully 0.003 of Bitcoin. I just got the Google email right here that it went through, which is good. Now we hit continue. And if we go back here to the main page, home, it should pop up right here. Let's see if I go to the 1 hour. You guys will see, boom, $47.76 of Bitcoin. And if you guys take a look here on the yearly chart, you guys can see I actually got back into Bitcoin a couple months ago when it was around 9,200, 9,000, 9,500 per Bitcoin, right around there. As honestly, guys, I view this, and many of you guys view this as well, as an inflationary hedge, right? This is very similar to gold. It's very similar to silver, right? And I'll make another video more in depth as to why I like Bitcoin, but really to sum it up in 10 seconds is because of the money printing. We're seeing a lot of printing of the US dollar. So getting into inflationary hedge assets that do well when the dollar's being devalued, and quite honestly, they do well because they're viewed as an uncorrelated asset. You're looking at it like, okay, if the dollar doesn't do well, if the stock market doesn't do well, hey, maybe Bitcoin gold, silver, these types of assets will outperform. So that's kind of a little gist as to why I have Bitcoin and why I've been buying it more recently, the past couple of months, because of the money printing and because of the devaluation of the dollar. So I started buying in, Bitcoin went up and up and up. I bought a couple $100, and honestly, guys, I'm up like 30-40% on my initial position. And you guys can see here that it took a big hit. That is because I transferred it to my Ledger Nano S. Remember what I said earlier in the video? If you keep your Bitcoin here on Coinbase, which I'm guilty of doing, I actually kept it here for a couple of months, but if you keep it here long term and you think it's like keeping, stocks in your Fidelity account or Robinhood or TD Ameritrade where it's insured, well, you're wrong. It's not like that for Bitcoin. This could easily be hacked. You can lose your money, and it's not going to be insured. So putting it on a Ledger Nano S, which again is a hardware wallet, an external wallet outside of Coinbase, this keeps it safe. Alrighty, guys, so here is the Ledger Nano S dashboard. This is the app that you actually download once you get the Ledger Nano S, and this is what it looks like, right? So you guys see my $911 here worth of Bitcoin, which if we go back to Coinbase, you can see this is the Bitcoin that I literally had in Coinbase, around $915, that I just transferred to the Ledger Nano S a couple of days ago, right? So I want to show you guys exactly how to do that right now with this little $47 worth of Bitcoin that I have. So it's very simple, and that's the thing here with crypto and Bitcoin. I mean, it does seem intimidating at first, but once you understand it, get your feet wet a little bit, you watch videos, you're like, oh, it's not that bad. So okay, we're gonna hit here, receive. This is going to give you guys, well, my wallet here. It says Stas Bitcoin. We're going to do, okay, continue, because we want the Bitcoin to go into this wallet here, which is called Stas Bitcoin. So we're going to do continue. So now the computer is connecting with my Ledger Nano S, and I have to put in a PIN now to actually open up the wallet so it connects here with the computer. So let me do that very quickly. Okay, cool. So I just put the password in, and you guys can see open the Bitcoin app on your device. That's pretty much telling you, okay, go here on the Ledger Nano S, open up your Bitcoin app. So let me do that right now. Okay, now it says here on my Ledger Nano S, the application is ready, and now it's loading up. Okay, now you can see right here, address for Stas Bitcoin. This long phrase that you guys see here, again, don't get intimidated. This is the address to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to the Ledger Nano S. Now, I have to put this address into Coinbase to send it to my Ledger Nano S. Very simple, but again, it sounds complicated. So let's do it. All you have to do is click this. Now it says address copied, right? We're going to go back to Coinbase, and here on Coinbase, we're not receiving any Bitcoin on Coinbase. We simply want to send it out, right? So we're going to click send here, and it's going to pop up how much Bitcoin do you want to send, and we're going to click send all, which is about $47.80 worth of Bitcoin. Now here we're going to put in that address from the Ledger Nano S, because remember, we want to send it from Coinbase to the Ledger Nano S. So we're going to click that, and let me do this. Paste, right? We just pasted it. Now we're going to type in a little note. Stas, here is your Bitcoin, your little BTC. We'll put that there. Here's your Bitcoin, and we're going to pay with the BTC wallet. Now we're going to click continue, and there's going to be a little bit of a fee. Let's see how much the fee is, or maybe not. Actually, there's got to be a fee. It's going to be a little bit here. Now we're going to click send now, and that's it. Now we're going to do a two-step verification code, which give me a second, guys. So there we go, guys. 0.00299 worth of Bitcoin, $46.62 was just sent from Coinbase over to my Ledger Nano S. And there was about $1 and some change there in fees, but you'll realize, guys, that's just the cost of doing business here with Bitcoin, Coinbase, and a bunch of other exchanges as well. So let's go back to the Ledger Nano S and see if our Bitcoin showed up. So usually you do have to wait a couple minutes for it to transfer from Coinbase to Ledger Nano S. So let's see how long it takes, and I'll bring you guys back when it goes through. And there we go, guys. You can see it went went from about $913 now up to $959, and that's literally it. Now my Bitcoin is off the exchange and it's on my hardware wallet, safe and secure. Now all I have to do is unplug it and my Bitcoin is literally on this little USB device. I could keep it in my pocket, put it in a safe, hide it under my pillow, put it outside and bury it if I wanted to, guys. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's very simple. Again, this stuff's a little bit intimidating at first, but once you dive into it, watch some videos, it's pretty easy to get the hang of it. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Maybe go back and rewatch this video. And if you all enjoyed it, hit the like button for me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. And don't forget, guys, if you want $10 free from Coinbase, all you have to do is use my link down below, transact $100 worth of Bitcoin on that platform, and you get $10 free. And I also get $10 free since it is an affiliate link, and I do appreciate you guys if you do use that, as it does help me and the channel out directly. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Hope this one helped. Stay safe out there. As always, peace out.